Wow, sobrang ganda niya! The supplies that we'll be needing for this project are, this is a picture frame measuring 13 by 11 inches, 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, and I printed some of the pictures of the celebrant or the one who will be receiving this gift, and a set of sticker, and this one is a new acetate, I think, with size of 12 by 12. So I took the insert, that card that comes within the picture frame, which I bought, and then I usually don't like measuring, so I just traced the lines that I have to cut using the insert of the photo frame as my guide. A little backstory about this project. I was invited to be part of her surprise birthday party around 2 days prior to the event, and I was cramming on thinking of what perfect gift can I give her, and I figured this will be the perfect one. I don't have enough time to order online since it was only 2 days and I will not be able to receive the gift if it was only 2 days. So I rushed to the nearest bookstore on the same day I received the message to buy a picture frame so I can use it for this project. The picture frame I think was around 200 plus pesos. Relatively cheap for a very meaningful gift. And from the excess strip of scrapbook paper, I just taped them together. I cut the acetate protector as well. So sorry, I thought I was filming earlier, but I forgot to push the record button. So anyways, I just cut the pictures into their shapes. And here I'm just kind of layouting the pictures into the scrapbook paper with acetate. So I place some of the pictures below the acetate because I want the printed white design of the acetate to be on top of the picture. And there are the upper left 3 pictures were placed on top of the acetate, because I kind of think the horizontal white lines in the acetate would ruin the feel of the picture. I'm using acid-free and photo-safe glue dots, by the way. Acetate over the top of the page using glue dots on the 4 corners. And here's a very pretty green and gray colored sticker. The color theme of this sticker set just perfectly matched the color theme of the whole scrapbook or picture frame. just more final trimmings to make the whole project more polished. And we just place the finished product inside the picture frame. Here's the finished project. I really love how this turned out, and this is a perfect gift for a 60th birthday.
Buksan mo na, Ken!
Ang bilis na napaklip mo agad.
Oo nga, ang bilis, oh! Oo, yung damit pareho.
Don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe to this channel to watch more DIY videos.